Hello, Klaus here, and welcome back to yet another video here at the channel. It is so lovely to have you back here. I do hope you are enjoying the content I am making. This is kind of a part 2 of the video I did last week, all about making a commercial, a 15 seconds commercial. In this case, I did a donut commercial. If you didn't see that, right up here, up in the card, you can see that video. If you just want to see the donut commercial, you can see that as well down below. So in this video, it's actually going to be more or less a little video about sound design. So let's just jump right into it, and I'll show you how I recorded the sounds I did, and also I'll show you some places you can get sounds if you do not want to record your own. So without further ado, let's go to that video. So for this setup, I am recording the sound on my H6N, and then I have some different props, and I'm trying to recreate the different sounds using those. So let's do that. For instance, we are going to make a piece of bread fall down on the plate here to make the sound of the donut falling. Take another one. Great, and also I'll need some sounds of turning in the air. I try to do different takes on this. Okay, do another take. That. Okay, let's try doing another take of the coffee. Pretty good, I think pretty good. So of course I do know it's pretty time consuming to do your own Foley sounds, even though it is way more satisfying to do your own than to go into a sound library and taking the sounds from there. But if you're in a pinch, of course, I would always recommend you to use a service like Soundstripe, which I've been using for years. They have a pretty good sound library and some good sounds there to pick up as well. If you have no money to spare, another place to go would be to go on freesound.org. There is a lot of users making great sounds, but of course you have to remember to actually credit for the sound, which is totally fair because somebody else did do the work for you. Also, if your editing software is Davinci Resolve, Blackmagic did give out a free-to-use sound library, so you could check that out as well. Otherwise, if you're doing YouTube, YouTube do have a sound library, and that's worth checking out as well. So this is basically how I do a setup for a Foley session for my video. In this case, I am using a Zoom H6 and some different props to do the different sounds. And then I am just looking at the footage and trying to figure out to make the best sounds. So in this case, I didn't have a donut, but a piece of bread, and I was using that instead. So let's have a look at the final video. Hope you found the video useful. If you did, please hit that subscribe button, give the video a like, share it with your friends if you think it will help them out, and if you want to be notified every time there's a new video on this channel, please hit that bell icon down in the corner. Until next time, keep filming, keep learning, and keep sharing.